Okay, friends, we have made it to the zoo. We got here about 15 minutes early, so we had to sit in the car and wait. But now it's open, so we're gonna go in. Hi! It's a little windier than we thought. Can you hear the music? So this all picks up over the wind. We're gonna stop at the restrooms and then we're gonna get, you know, signed in here. Oh, those are pretty flowers, aren't they? The kids all voted to stop at the playground first. We are the only ones in the playground area right now. Where's my big ones? Over there. Liam's making some music. Violet and Aria are gonna drive the Jeep. So there are a few other people at the zoo, but not many. Hey girls, are you driving the Jeep? I'm wondering what that is over there. You see that? You gonna drive? Aria, come here, let's go check out and see what this is. Okay, we'll go swing. Let's check out what this is over here. And then we'll go swing. That looks so fun. You want to sit down and I'll push you? It looks like you can sit or you can stand and hold on. You're going to both sit? Okay, are you ready?
Hang on.
Is that so fun? Woo! This wasn't here last time.
Yeah,
Whoa!
I'm missing
Whee! That's so fun! Everybody's swinging now. Is that a fun swing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like
Liam's swinging.
That's a gold front.
Everybody's swinging away. Woo! All right, girls, come on, I'll load you up. I'm just kidding.
I can't get my hood.
Oh, little baby going to sleep.
I don't want to
Oh,
get
yeah.
sick before we go there.
Ready? Set. Again. So many ostriches. They do. They have a little land of Berthas. Hi, Berthas. Land of Berthas. So we are going to go this way. They have a new Asia sanctuary open. Liz is vlogging. And so yeah, we're excited. And it seems like a lot of times when we come here, we always go the same route and then we get tired and so we go home. So we're going to try to go a different route this time and see how that works for us. What do you, ooh, look for a sign. Do you see a sign so you can tell us what kind of bird it is? No.
They have Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots isn't open in February. And we come to the zoo way more in the fall / winter, early spring, when none of the little vendors are open. But at least it's not hot, because in Oklahoma in the summer, it is hot and it is humid, and I'm not about that. So,
Oh, yeah, you can see the red on them.
hey, we learned about those.
It likes wetlands, marshes, and rice paddy fields. Oh,
I don't see any.
Well,
It
you
likes
can
to
tell
eat
they've
fish and
tried to make it a little marshy area.
Whoa.
Look at, I see Netsawoo.
That's so I saw those two the other day.
Did you? All right, we're gonna go see what we can find. Okay, there is a lion. I don't know if y'all can see. He's sleeping up there. Say here, kitty, 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 kitty. I don't see. Come here, Sissy. I'm gonna show you the lion.
Here,
You want to see? Yeah, hold on. Do you see him up there on the hill? See that furry thing on the hill? Up there.
You can see it.
He's fuzzy. He's up there. Do you see him?
Yeah, there was
You don't see him, do you?
gate in
That's really
He is sleeping.
Kitty
Can you feel the love tonight? Let's go see. We're gonna go over to the glass and see if we can see his face, maybe. Did you see him, Violet?
I saw his furry stuff.
You saw his furry stuff, yeah.
That's what I said.
Oh, let's see. Oh, you guys, there he is. Macho man. Lion. These little animal statues always attract the most attention from children. Y'all want to all climb up there and I'll get your picture? Stay up there and Mom will take your picture.
Okay, this is very scary.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese! Oh, it's so good.
I'm gonna name this one. His name
Okay.
is Tom. Goglebev.
Goglevev.
Here's Julia.
Okay.
I would name him.
And then
That's yours. What's its name?
No.
Tom and Jerry. I like it.
Oh, it's Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
They had kids and they named them Tom and Jerry.
What's this one?
Simon.
Simon. I like it. What was yours named, Liam?
Simon. That one's Tom. That one's Jerry.
Oh, okay. We have a lot of Toms and Jerrys. Okay. Let's go see what else we can find.
It looks like Luna when she goes outside.
Yeah, it does. Her princess prance. This is a special trail just about Oklahoma animals, the Oklahoma Trail. And here we have, what is it?
that one's Taylor Swift.
Fox.
That one's Taylor Swift. And that's Taylor Swift.
They're
Well,
so
that's Taylor Swift.
cute.
That's Selena Gomez, and that's Ariana Grande.
Okay, well,
I'm picking
we have
random
all
people.
the famous singers here, y'all.
Yeah.
Aren't they so cute?
The best
I wish.
one-
Oh,
The best one's Taylor
they're like
Swift.
people. Look how tiny they are. Oh, that one looks like it's shivering. Help you down? Come on.
My phone's gonna die. So
Hand.
I'm gonna film more when you find other animals.
Okay, let's go see. Nothing in there. You can see Oklahoma trails. So just all the animals, not all, but a lot
When I grow up,
that you'd
that's my
find in
pet.
Oklahoma. A swift fox will be your pet. Here's a, okay, do you smell that scent? Smells kind of skunky.
No.
All right, let's go up in this trail and see what we find. Me too. We're very excited. We found deer. Pick you up. Come here. You see the deer? You want it in the house? Yeah, that would be cool. wouldn't it?
There's more over there too.
Is there more? Oh, there
a
is.
pet deer as well.
A pet deer? It'd be so dear to your heart.
Yes.
Little deer.
mine.
Oh, it'd be dear to your heart? Come on, can you see the deer? Huh? Jump! Let me see you jump! We're all watching. We're ready for Violet to jump. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Shakalaka! She did it. A lot of the animals, I guess because it's kind of chilly, are not where we can see them or they're sleeping.
What do deers eat? What do deers eat?
What do deers eat? Tell me.
I don't know. I'm saying, what do they eat?
They nibble on grass, yes, and fruits
How do I
and
sound like
leaves.
grass
and-
that attracts them?
I sound like grass. You're silent.
Oh, I need them to come to me.
We are trying to make turkey calls to this turkey. It worked a second ago. When we do it, he lifts up all his feathers. Watch him.
And the coyotes
Oh,
are getting
he's
very
showing off.
excited.
He's like, yes, don't I look good? Look at my feathers. I find it mean that they put coyotes right by turkeys.
Deer and
Here he goes. They put the coyotes in between deer and birds, like turkeys and stuff. I find that mean. It's teasing to the coyotes, right?
They're so
And then it's scary for the deer and the turkeys. Yeah, come, 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 come.
Oh, we're making the coyotes so excited right now.
We're making the I said the coyotes. We're making the coyotes.
You can go in here.
Yes, but only open one set of doors at a time. So go.
Only one door at a time.
Yeah, so these have to be shut. Just birds. Not like flying in the sky birds, more like ground
You
birds.
can see outside the turkeys. That's
Yeah. See, little creek. And then right here we can see what we have. Okay, shh, I wish you could touch one too. It tells you all what they have. I was gonna bring nature journals and let them do nature journals while we were here. And I was just in a mood this morning and I forgot them. Look, shaking his tail feather. Shake your tail feather. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we don't go under. Look how adorable. I like these with a little fuzzy head. He is. Oh, look at him. Violet, did you see him get in the water? Look at him. Oh, yeah. Do you remember when we learned in science about how when they get in water, what their feathers do? How they're kind of like water resistant. They can't get down
Mom, look at that one.
underneath
He was
to
like
their
going,
down
like,
feathers. Oh, look.
Mom, you should
He's
see-
taking a bath,
he was-
isn't he?
He was like moving his toes, bunch of like
My
Yeah,
phone is only at
to clean
20%
himself,
and I'm
huh?
videoing, so.
They're so cute.
giant bird.
Okay, go look and tell me what it is.
It's a turkey vulture.
Oh, well, see? And then they put it by the turkey. Does the turkey vulture want to eat the turkey?
I hope.
Do they eat turkeys? Well, only if they're dead.
Yeah.
So it gets its name because, let's see, its head looks bald like a red head of a turkey. Okay, so I guess it's not that mean. This snake is having its lunch. That's pretty kind of sad and gross.
And we just saw a mouse, like, just.
So that's a big.
How can it fit this?
Its jaw opens up, like kind of break. Well, doesn't break, but because it's made to do it, but dislocates, so it can fit the mouse in there.
Than if they eat the avalanche at once.
Eat very often, yeah.
Oh, look at that fish! Like, oh.
There's a turtle in there too. So yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. Where'd the otters go? Oh, look, here comes a cute one. Hi, otter. Oh, he's so cute. Violet, did you see? Where'd he go? Violet's over here. The black bear, did he turn around? Oh, he put his nose down. Oh, he has a toy? Let's see. There he is! Spinning all around. Don't see his face is so big. What's it called? I can't remember now. Sanctuary, right? We stopped in a little museum they had. I didn't film it for some reason, but they had bars in there from a bear exhibit from 1906. So that was pretty cool. We found some more elephants. There is a little one. Yep, big ones, little ones. All different sizes.
Oh, there's a person down there.
You see elephants, Sissy?
Yeah, well, that's Dada house, that's Mama house, that's Baby house.
Oh, Mama and Daddy and Baby, I like it. Let's go down here to this window. See if we can get closer. Go see.
I want to go in this one right
Okay. Oh, I wonder when that baby was born. We found Melissa's favorite. What is it, Lissa?
It's a red panda.
A
but
red
it's her second favorite.
panda.
Pandas are my first
Can you
favorite.
see? They're so cute, you guys. We're cold. We're all so cute. Liam got a nosebleed. I only brought my little bitty purse to hold my wallet and my camera and my mom's snack here. So I got lucky and there was an old tissue at the bottom of it. So he is curing his nosebleed in that way. But we're all getting kind of tired and cold. We're getting runny noses. It was supposed to be much warmer, but the sun has not come out. We are going to, it's stopping. We're gonna go find a park so the kids can play and we can sit down for a second. How's your nose? Are you doing that? Nosebleed. It's all this dry air. Yeah, bloody nose. We're gonna have to find some, we're gonna have to get this wet. So we're gonna clean up this nosebleed, see if we can find a park. Okay, friends, we found the other park. Woo! You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Here, you got it.
Where's the music?
Hold on.
Copyright us. Okay.
That's probably good, Mom.
I don't think the carousel music will hurt anything. I'm glad we made it. I had lots of little people complaining that their feet were tired. So, if the feet aren't too tired to play at the park, ain't that the truth? So now we're going to swing again. In this one, we're going to play here for a little while, and then we'll see whatever animals we can see on our way towards the front. And then we'll probably be done. We've been here about 2.5 hours. I'm sure we'll be here for another hour, and we'll head back home probably after that. Yeah, climb. Hi, girlfriend. Oh, you don't want to climb? You want to go up the stairs with Mama? Normally when we're at the zoo, we're here with our homeschool group, and so it's kind of fun for it to just be us and be a quiet little group, and there's not very many other zoo visitors here today either. So it's nice just to have a family day, isn't it? And we've learned about so many birds lately in science. The kids have been having fun finding birds that they've learned about. So it's just a fun little day. Hi! Oh, we're gonna have to play the monster and get her. Oh, here's Violet. You doing good? Oh yeah? You're so high. Hi. You're doing good, Violet. Oh, one more step and you'll be there. I think Liam's worn out over here. You gonna go up or down? Woo. Up or down? We have a pretty busy week this week. Today we're here at the zoo. Tomorrow we have to take, or I'm taking my mom to a doctor's appointment while most of the kids stay with a family friend. And let's see. Then I think Wednesday and Thursday are gonna be dedicated school days because they're really the only full days we'll be able to get in this week. Perks of year-round homeschooling though. And there's Aria up there. And then Friday, me and my 2 big girls are gonna go to Secret Keeper Girl Convention in a city that is about an hour and a half, 2 hours away. So we're excited for that.
Mom, we're going to our friend's house.
Yes, we are. Okay, this is fun.
It's so scary. I've never been on one where I don't think. And those are like so scary, like you get so dizzy.
Yeah, I wouldn't like it at all.
Me and Mom are a lot.
These are kind of fun though. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Party.
Ow!
The music stops when it's random dance party time. Oh, here it comes. Are you having fun? Spin? Okay.
It's fine.
I'll go on.
Yeah, I'll go on too.
Dancing. But this time not the pick and jump. Yes, I will. Just hop, hop, hop. Oh, there's a whole bunch more over here. I didn't realize. Okay, Mama's gonna pick you up. Monkeys. They're so cute. Now, what type are those? There's a sign. Yes, and a goatee. It's a giant rat.
It's a squirrel monkey.
A squirrel monkey. It's like a Marcel. Oh. I would like one of those. And then we have this species of monkeys, the Arispian breed.
That sleep when they're here.
That sleep when they're here. And munch on apples. Okay, the youngest Arispian monkey here is going to show us her monkey skills. They eat fruits and bugs. Oh, he's so cute. Little bitty face. I love it. Can you get him to talk?
I'm just kidding. Gobble, gobble.
Do you think that's funny?
No, we can't reach in there to him. We didn't give him that. His workers did. His keepers.
No, I didn't answer that.
All right, guys. You ready?
Let's go home. My toe hurts.
done at the zoo, Violet looked for cars. The petting zoo, like I said, was closed, but we had a good rest by the monkeys, and they got to make lots of sounds at us, so that was fun. Now it's getting chillier, I think, but we're gonna head home for our, it takes us about 45 minutes to get here. We're gonna head home and probably do some read alouds this afternoon.